Shakes have become increasingly popular as a meal replacement option in recent years, and for good reason. One of the main benefits of replacing a meal with a protein shake is that it can help you feel full for longer periods of time. This is because protein is known to be a satiating nutrient, which means it helps to curb your appetite and reduce cravings. When you consume a protein shake, you're providing your body with a concentrated source of protein, which can help stabilize your blood sugar levels and keep you feeling satisfied throughout the day. Additionally, protein shakes are often lower in calories than traditional meals, which can help to reduce your overall calorie intake and promote weight loss. Periods of time aids. It's worth noting that protein shakes should not be used as a total replacement for all meals, as they may not provide your body with all of the necessary nutrients it needs to function properly. However, incorporating a protein shake into your